Top 5 Best Backup Cameras 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. This backup camera integrates directly with your compatible Garmin Navigator. Installation is super quick, just snapping into your license plate mount. You get a clear, wide wireless video feed up to 25 feet, and it's tough, rated IPX7 for all weather. Plus, you can even use voice commands to see the view. However, it only works if you already own a specific Garmin Wi-Fi enabled navigator. If you're invested in the Garmin ecosystem, it's a convenient, weatherproof solution. Otherwise, you'll need another option. Number 2. This backup camera installs in just 15 minutes. It's plug and play, connecting via your cigarette lighter or wired for auto-triggering on reverse. You get stable, real-time 1080p images without delay. IP69 waterproof and 6 LED night vision ensure clear views day or night, even in harsh weather. Its 4.3-inch monitor is compact for focused images. Some might prefer larger. Still, for a dependable, easy setup rear view, it's a solid choice. Number 3. The WOLFBOX G840S offers a stunning 12-inch 4K display. Its front camera records in crisp 4K UHD alongside a 1080p rear cam. That larger screen drastically cuts blind spots, boosting your safety. You get 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for easy app access to recordings on your phone. Real-time GPS data displays directly too. Night vision is superior, using WDR, HDR, and a professional sensor for clear footage. It includes 24-hour parking monitoring, though a hardwire kit is required. For a comprehensive backup camera and dashcam experience, this WOLFBOX G840S is a powerful choice. Number 4. Strong magnetic mounting sets this wireless backup camera apart. It connects directly to your iPhone or Android via Wi-Fi. Its rechargeable battery makes it completely portable. This EWAY model is an ideal hitch camera for quick hookups on RVs, trailers, or trucks, front or rear views. Just remember, a consistent Wi-Fi signal is crucial for stable video. For ultimate flexibility, this magnetic backup camera is worth a look. Number 5. This AUTO-VOX CS2 wireless backup camera stands out for its incredibly easy two-step installation and stable digital signal. Power the monitor, then connect the camera to your backup light. That's it. You get crystal HD and super night vision with its 0.1 lumen rating. It's ideal for trucks, SUVs, and vans, delivering stable, interference-free images up to 33 feet. Connecting to the backup light does require some basic wiring. However, you'll appreciate the IP68 waterproof camera and customizable parking lines. It's a reliable choice for safer reversing. Thanks for watching Best Backup Cameras. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.